bright, cool day. I'm even feeling cold, so I decided to pitch my tent outside. There is nothing like natural sunlight. See how the thing is very clear and it's looking sharp. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, the existing and the new people that are watching this video. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. To my old subscriber, thank you for all the love you show on my videos. And to the new people that are watching this video, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, what are we here to do today? Today, we're going to be checking ways to get jobs on LinkedIn. A lot of people are stuck with Fiverr and Upwork and other job boards that they just leave out LinkedIn and those places, not knowing you can actually get clients. I say from my story, as much as I'm an Upwork girly, yes, I'm an Upwork girly. I see it's Upwork. My current job came from LinkedIn. In fact, I've been doing the job for over a year. My retainer job, the jobs on Upwork have been gigs and all of that. So any platform can work for you. It might be Upwork for you, it might be LinkedIn, it might be Upstaff, it might be freelancer.com, it might be Fiverr. So you need to spread your tentacles. And today I just want to show you how you can navigate Upwork to get jobs. There are two ways, and there is a way that is like the legit way to get, real jobs. And if time permits us, we're also going to be looking at Facebook. There are also clients on Facebook. As a virtual assistant, you cannot sleep on any platform. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
And so this is my YouTube this is my LinkedIn page. I beg your pardon. And we're going to be seeing the two ways to find jobs on LinkedIn. Like I said, there are two ways. One is this job section, if you can see where my cursor is hovering on, and the second one is the Boolean search. I like to use the Boolean search because that's just what works for me, and it makes me feel closer to the recruiters or whoever is hiring. It like gives me a closer look at the job than this job section. But I would advise that you watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any tip I'm going to be sharing. So we're going to be checking this first way now on the jobs. So you click the jobs, and so I noticed that LinkedIn has changed their user interface. It used to be different. So you already picked top jobs for me, but we're looking for remote jobs, right? So you come here to search what jobs you want to look for. I am an executive assistant. Mm. So there you can type graphics designer, social media manager, whatever it is that is your niche or what you do, web developer, front end developer, whatever it is, you just type it there and then you enter and search. So zero results for Ibadan. I mean, I was not even looking for Ibadan. So you come to this location and just streamline to whatever location. You can type the US, you can type the UK, wherever it is. You can type Canada. A lot of people a lot of jobs are looking to recruit outside, so you can just type. And because we're going to still be filtering more, we're going to be filtering to remote. So um it helps you like streamline to jobs that are remote, but just best be on the safer side. People that want to hire from Africa and like maybe Nigeria, we use our region EMEA, right? So it brings jobs around this. So now to the filtering part, I'll click on the remote. That means we are looking for executive assistant jobs that are remote. And date posted, I like to use the past week or the past 24 hours. In fact, I use past 24 hours a whole lot of time, because that means you are jobs that you've posted just in a day, you're going to be like one of the first persons to be applying to it. But so for the use of this video, so we have more jobs to check. Let's just use past week. So we show results, and then we start checking the jobs. Executive assistant, okay, so this is on site head of personal assistant, worldwide mission, remote. Let's check this. Okay, so this is the group. You read around it. This is what they do. And top 5 company to work from. A top 5 company for work from anywhere jobs. You see, the job, it means that they hire remote workers a lot of times. So you read around it. Is it good for you? And then you apply. Then something else that I like to do is, usually you might see the hiring manager here. That means the person that posted the job, but it's only the company that is here. So you go and research about the company. It has about 1,000 to 5,000 employees. So let's click it. I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want it to be too long. So you you look for the people. Yeah, I'm showing this because it's not showing the hiring manager. So you look for the people, and it's possible for you to find maybe the human resource manager or something. So when you look around, you just look around and see that there are lots of blacks here. So this looks like a job that I would want to apply for. So okay, this is senior HR. Yeah, so you can, that's after applying. So after applying, immediately you can just go out, connect with the hiring, with someone that's in HR, send them a cold email, a reasonable cold email or cold DM on LinkedIn, a reasonable one, right? So from there, your job, your CV will probably be noted, and also this is just a whole lot of process, right? It's something that you have to do consistently. So you don't just apply for this one and get tired. You see how people actually go the extra mile to apply for jobs here. So this is one way, and then my favorite way, yay, to apply for jobs, that's the Boolean search. I'll go back to home and I'll type hiring. So Boolean search helps to filter whatever it is you put in the search section. And executive assistant and uh, and remote. So I want it to bring out for me what any post that has hiring, that has executive and has remote. So it's going to bring out post around all of this. So still I'll have to filter. Filtering is very, very important. So I'll filter to post. Now we are not searching for jobs. Now we are looking for posts. We are looking for people that are posting that they are hiring. Do you understand? So I'll do posts, and it brings me to this again. Date posted, remember, is very important. Let's do past week again. Best thing to do is past 24 hours, but for more jobs, for the sake of the video, past week, right? Okay, so go to past week. You just look around, you search until you find the one that matches. We can see that this one is India remote. Mostly they want someone in India, and it's remote, but the person has to be in India. Latam remote. So we keep searching. Funny enough, how you can actually apply to this kind of jobs and you get it because of the way you crafted your CV or your cover letter and all of that. But I like to just save myself a lot of too much of applications. I just like to go to. So we see this one says remote full-time $6 per hour. You send your details to this, you read, you send your details, your cover letter, your CV to this, and then okay, this one says Indonesia full-time. I don't want to check. Mr. John Hopkins. A lot of times I don't check what Nigerians are posting. I don't know if this person is a Nigerian though. I actually check like this Natalia sounds like a US person. So she said I'm hiring an executive assistant that work directly with blah blah blah. And she said Latam strongly preferred. But it's not compulsory you shy away from it because it says LATAM strongly preferred, so you can still check and apply. And we are looking for um this. Okay, yeah, this is a very good job. I don't like jobs that say send DMs, like this one says send DM. I really don't like it. So this one is bringing us to a link that says, so you click the link, sometimes it's like the job page or maybe a Google form that you have to fill and all. Let's look again. Arosa Khan. Okay, this one wants Pakistan only. So you see that it's like a lot of jobs. So this one says executive assistant. Jack Robson looks like someone that is really, really, yeah. So Monday to Saturday, fully remote is not typical assistant. Let's click it. Let's click JD. Let's just click it and see. So this is the job assistant, and I say job assistant. This is the job description. Yeah, so this is apply. So you just apply. Yeah. So this was what I did. I mean, I used to sleep on this Boolean search almost every day, streamlining to 24 hours. Like you see, this one now is 2 days ago. This one now is 1 week ago. So I do 24 hours a lot of times so that I'm always one of the first person to apply. And then I check every single day. Yeah. So job hunt, like we know, is a full-time job itself. Let me see if we can just do 2 minutes for Facebook, or do I come another day? Okay, let's quickly do 2 minutes for Facebook. So for Facebook, uh okay, yeah, for Facebook, the Boolean search, I don't know if they have Boolean search anyways, but uh I like to search from groups that I've joined. If you go to my TikTok page, I think I'll link the video here. I'll add a link to the video that tells you some pages you can join to get jobs. Yeah. So let's just search maybe virtual assistants. Stands. So I use groups more than like posts. So groups, yeah. So I want to see all groups. And then one of the very important things is to see if they post daily. So groups like this that have 3 posts a day, 5 posts a day, I usually don't use them because that means people are not really engaging on that group. Even if they don't post job, you might have something to learn. Yeah. So there was one group that I saw. So we can, this is no, we're looking for okay, yeah. So this is 80 posts a day. 80 posts a day, right? So we want to come here to the search section. Usually I like to use groups that are closed group that you have to stay for a long time, like you have to join and then later they will accept you or not, because they are closed groups, maybe like 2,000, 3,000 members. Like the scams will be reduced. So you search, so you just see hire because it's a virtual assistant group already. So is anybody hiring? We just search hire, and you just check through whatever jobs that. So yeah, February. So you recent posts. So we are hiring, content strategy, this, that. Imagine I didn't even have to go remote, small team. This was February. So it means it's a very long job. They posted it a long while ago. But hiring copywriter, virtual assistant, remote. This is January. So you can do this for several groups basically. I don't want to spend too much time on Facebook. So that is just how to search for jobs on Facebook and LinkedIn. I trust you learned something.
Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, or share, and most importantly, subscribe. This is a channel that is just growing, and trust me, there are going to be loads and loads of information to help you as a virtual assistant on this channel. So do well to subscribe. Okay, bye.